Felt is a widely used fabric, but how much do you really know about it? Welcome to Felt 101. So what is felt? Felt is a non-woven fabric, which means instead of being knit or woven, its fibers are pressed together using heat, moisture, and pressure to interlock the fibers. This creates a dense fabric that doesn't fray. Now let's talk about the types of felt available. There is 100% wool felt, which is very thick and coarse. Wool blends are more commonly used and are thinner and have a smoother texture, and they're available in a wider variety of colors. The wool is usually blended with rayon, with a higher percentage of wool resulting in a higher price. It is dry cleanable, but not machine washable. Wool is believed to be the oldest textile, probably because it was an easy fabric to make because no weaving is required. People would make clothing, saddles, and even tents because wool was very strong and resistant to harsh winter weather. Acrylic felt is the most common type of felt. It's widely available in craft stores and discount stores with craft departments. Since it's made of 100% acrylic, it's inexpensive, making it a great material for craft projects. It's machine washable and dryable and can also be dry cleaned. Quality varies quite a bit by the manufacturer. You'll notice that felt from big box stores can be thin and scratchy, whereas higher quality felt, such as that from National Nonwovens, is much thicker and softer. Acrylic felt is also available in embossed, printed, and glitter finishes. A less common type of felt is a rayon and bamboo blend known by the trade name exotic felt. It's manufactured by National Nonwovens. Exotic felt is very soft and drapes more than other types of felt. Musical instruments, hats, padding and lining, pool tables, casino game tables, home construction, cars, air fresheners, holiday costumes and decorations, stamp pads, inside of appliances, gaskets, pads for polishing apparatus, and as a sealant in industrial machinery. And of course crafts, which is the focus of this video. Craft felt is purchased by the sheet, bolt, or in die cut shapes. You can also buy loose fibers known as wool roving for needle felting. Some people make little animal figurines using this technique. So where can you buy felt? In addition to the acrylic and retail stores that we've talked about, you can often find wool blend felt by the bolt at your local Joann Fabrics or at quilt shops. The supplier I use, National Nonwovens, sells a limited selection directly to consumers. So your best bet is to shop online. There's a big selection of wool blend felt on Etsy, and I will add links to some of those suppliers in the description below. I happen to sell acrylic felt on Etsy, and I'll include a link to my shop. So what type of felt is best for your project? Each type of felt has its advantages and disadvantages, which is why it's important to consider how your end product will be used. Acrylic felt is cost effective for things like children's costumes and toys, but wool blend felt is more durable and doesn't pill as much, making it a better choice for items that will see a lot of use, such as dolls. Wool felt can also be itchy, so using it on the back of a mask isn't the best idea. If you're making something that's not going to be used daily, it's more cost effective to use acrylic unless the color you need is only available in wool blend or rayon. Here are examples of the different types of craft felt we've talked about in this video. This felt is 100% wool felt. You can see here that it's quite thick and it's very scratchy. It comes in this limited array of colors. This is a wool blend felt. You can see it's a little bit thinner and the texture is also smoother. It's still a little bit scratchy, but it's much less so than the 100% wool. So this is a blend of wool and rayon. So like I said, the higher percentage of wool contained in the felt, the higher the price is going to be. And this comes in a large array of colors. This is exotic felt. As you can see, it's very drapey, it's very soft, and it's quite thin. Here I have side by side swatches of craft store felt with felt from National Nonwovens. Again, both are acrylic, but they are very different in terms of quality, and actually the price is quite similar, which is kind of baffling to me. But hopefully you can see here, this blue is from Joann Fabrics. I bought it off the bolt, and you can see the texture of it. It's quite rough. It's you can see through it a little bit. And then this is National Nonwovens felt. You can still see the texture of the felt, which is normal, but it's a lot more even, and this is very soft. The felt from the big box stores is a little stiffer. You can kind of see here, this is more drapey, and then this is a bit stiffer. And here are some examples of specialty felts. These two are an embossed felt, and I believe I got these from Hobby Lobby. Here is a printed felt, also from Hobby Lobby, and I think this is from there as well. This is a felt with some glitter printed onto one side. And then this was not mentioned in the video, but this is a stiffened felt. And you can see here, it's obviously quite stiff, and it's made of acrylic, so I'm not sure the process used. They might add some glue or some sort of starch to it. So in addition to felt by the bolt or in 9 by 12 inch sheets, you can also get felt in little die cut shapes like these circles. You can buy these online, like on Etsy, or if you have a Sizzix die cutter machine, you can make them yourself, which is what I do. Here are some examples of the colors that wool felt is available in. Here are examples of wool blend felt. You can see there are quite a few more colors available than in the 100% wool. This particular wool felt is 35% wool and 65% rayon. Here we have a wool felt that is a lower percentage of wool. It's only 20% wool and 80% rayon. And it comes in a few colors, but not as much as the other one with a higher wool content. This type of wool felt is 70% wool and 30% rayon. It's much stiffer and has fewer color options than the wool felt with a higher percentage of rayon. Here are the colors available in exotic felt. Some of these colors are not available in acrylic felt, but they are available in wool blends, so it's just a matter of preference. Since this is a very soft option, this is a good one for children's items such as masks. For example, I use this macaw red to make fox masks. Here are the available colors in acrylic felt that's made by National Nonwovens, which is known by their trade name Fiesta Felt. You can see there's quite a variety of colors here. Now it's time for my first giveaway on this channel. National Nonwovens is not sponsoring this video, but I did receive these 2 charm packs of wool felt as part of their customer loyalty program, and I'm going to be giving them away to one lucky viewer. To enter, click thumbs up on this video. Leave a comment on the video telling me what you use felt for, include an email address so I can contact you if you're the winner. And please subscribe to my channel as well. A full list of rules is underneath this video, so please make sure you read that. A winner will be chosen at random on January 28th of 2018. I hope this video was helpful to you. As always, click thumbs up if you liked the video and leave a comment if you have any questions about anything we've covered today. And please share this video with all your crafty friends, and remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks, and happy crafting!